Hello everyone. Today I have the pleasure to present to you an exceptional piece of technology, the Doogee T30 Pro tablet. This device is a fantastic blend of performance, features, and affordability. So let's dive right into it. Straight out of the box, the T30 Pro offers a variety of accessories, including the tablet itself housed in a protective cover, a USB-C cable, a powerful 33W charger, and a stylus pen. If you wish to upgrade your experience, there are options to acquire a finer stylus pen and a keyboard cover. Now let's talk about the design. This tablet is quite sleek, measuring 257 x 158 x 7.6 millimeters and weighs in at 539 grams. The compact design makes it easy to carry around, making it your ideal companion for work, school, or leisure. Next, the T30 Pro boasts an 11-inch 2.5K display with a resolution of 2560 x 1600. With a pixel density of 374 ppi and brightness of 350 nits, it promises a vivid and sharp viewing experience. The display is also TUV certified and operates at a refresh rate of 60 Hz, ensuring a smooth scrolling experience. The tablet is equipped with an 8MP front camera. The hardware buttons are placed at the top, including the power button and volume rockers. The bottom side houses a connector for the optional keyboard. For an immersive audio experience, there are 4 speakers that support high-res audio, placed strategically on the left and right sides of the tablet. In terms of connectivity, it includes a 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB-C port. The T30 Pro can also house 2 nano SIM cards, or a combination of 1 nano SIM and a micro SD card, as it supports 2G, 3G, and 4G networks. On the rear side, there are 2 cameras, a 20MP and a 2MP sensor, both from Sony. Now let's talk about power. Under the hood, the T30 Pro packs an impressive 8,580 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support. Powering the device is a 6nm Helio G99 processor. In our Antutu benchmark test, this tablet scored an impressive 368,806 points, indicating a strong performance. As for memory, you get options of 15GB RAM or a hybrid of 8GB RAM plus 7GB virtual RAM. With 256GB ROM and a microSD card support of up to 2TB, you have ample space for all your apps, files, and multimedia content. Software and compatibility. The T30 Pro runs on the latest Android 13. Our gaming test with Real Racing went smoothly without any hitches. The tablet is compatible with Widevine L1, making it ideal for streaming Netflix, Amazon, and Disney. Additionally, it supports Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi ABNAC. Although it doesn't have NFC, it does come with built-in radio and GPS capabilities. Now for the best part. The T30 Pro is priced at Euro 299 on Amazon, but guess what? There's a Euro 20 coupon available, and if you use the promo code X7M3G7SIE, you'll get an extra 10% off, bringing the total cost down to just Euro 249. That's right, an 11-inch Android tablet with all these features at an unbeatable price. In conclusion, while the T30 Pro's 2.5K screen may lack the wow factor some may expect, it offers excellent value for its price of Euro 249. It's an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers looking for a versatile tablet. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, drop a comment about what you think of this tablet, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Until we meet again, take care.